The coronavirus, of course, will be a major issue on that debate stage tonight, with cases, hospitalizations, and now deaths rising across the country, surging across the South, the Midwest, and elsewhere. Nearly 1,000 Americans passing away from COVID in just 24 hours. Tonight, the FDA has now approved the first drug to treat COVID-19. Hospitalizations rising in 40 states, 6 now hitting record highs. The Billings Clinic Hospital in Montana doubling up patients and converting offices into COVID rooms. Patients on ventilators at the crowded El Paso hospital. And tonight we remember more than 222,000 lives have now been lost. And also that news from the FDA about remdesivir, that treatment for the virus. Doctors have been using it experimentally. Tonight the FDA has now fully approved the drug. Here's our chief national correspondent, Matt Gutman.
Tonight, El Paso's biggest hospital slammed. There are 4 to a room in the ICU. COVID patients flipped on their stomachs to help them breathe. New daily cases spiking about 450% since October 1st. The mayor pleading with residents.
We need your help to stop the spread. Please stay home when possible.
The state sending in over 700 medical staff by the weekend, 5 ambulances, and even hospital beds. COVID landing hard in the heartland, beds filling in Michigan, and this ER doctor worries it's about to get worse.
I have great fears that we're just seeing the tip of the iceberg.
Nearly 1,000 deaths reported across the country tonight, the deadliest day in 3 weeks. Montana also notching a record number of cases. The ER at the Billings Clinic is the busiest in the state. What does it mean when you have 10 or a dozen people waiting for a room?
It just puts additional stress on staff.
And somehow manager Brad Von Bergen found rooms for all of them. But his daily battle against the virus is deeply personal. In July, his sister, his stepfather, and then his mother became infected.
3 weeks later, she passed away. She was brought into the hospital, admitted. As a family, we decided to bring her home in.
And across the country, officials say COVID is being spread by young adults, crowded in bars like this in Billings. We showed Brad the video. What do you make of that? Nobody's masked. There's no social distancing.
Yeah, it worries me because what I see there are 10 patients. I see people that go to their families and their parents, and they pass it on.
The pictures from across the country tonight. Matt Gutman back with us. And Matt, the FDA today approving the drug remdesivir as the first official treatment for COVID-19.
It's basically the gold seal of approval, David. It means that the agency recognizes that remdesivir is relatively safe to use and that it's effective in shortening the duration of the virus. And that means it can free up more beds at slammed hospitals like the one behind me. David.
And a reminder, we're heading into the colder season with that snow falling on you there in Montana. Matt, thank you.
Hi, everyone. George Stephanopoulos here. Thanks for checking out the ABC News YouTube channel. If you'd like to get more videos, show highlights, and watch live event coverage, click on the right over here to subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to download the ABC News app for breaking news alerts. Thanks for watching.